Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Starting off the day with some bubbly, the grocery store, and now we're going to get to it. So this area is cleaned and situated right now. It won't last long. I wouldn't give it an hour or two. And it'll be all disheveled again. But we will enjoy it while we can. Really need new furniture. But at the moment, and we need a new slip cover. In the meantime, I have really wore these slip covers out. So, I like the Rose Home Fashion brand, but they have not been available in the gray color and the extra large couch in quite a long time on Amazon. But I've got other brands before, and I didn't really particularly care for them. That's why I've been waiting on that brand. But it's been a long time, so I'm thinking of purchasing the Turquoise brand on Amazon and trying those slip covers out. I still like to keep them covered, though, because of my pet claws and things like that. But like I said, right now, the couch is made up and the pillows are in their place. But I wouldn't even give it an hour. And this is just going to be destroyed again. But it looks nice for the moment. This is another project I am working on. It was black previously when I purchased it off Facebook Marketplace. I'm painting it white to more coordinate in my dining room area. It is a paint and primer. But I am still having to go over it several times to really get that black covered, even with a primer. I finally got the top done, did several layers to that just to get the stuff off of my kitchen table. But I'm still really having to work on the sides and there. There's still a lot to go. I'm trying not to get overwhelmed. I still have so many projects and so many things that I want to get done right now. And it is so easy to get overwhelmed and get anxiety ridden thinking about everything. So I'm just going to try to do that a little bit at a time. When it's finished, it's finished. The main things are out of the way. And I got paint on my finger this morning. So when it gets done, it gets done. We're just gonna go from there. Right now it's a work in progress. I'm also working on this, which I'm going to put in my powder room downstairs. I'm gonna paint this, was gonna do gold, but I have white paint on hand, so I'm either gonna paint it gold or white. I'm not sure yet, but I just wanted something to put in my bathroom. This is Facebook Marketplace as well. I wanted something to put in my bathroom that I could, use to store extra toilet paper and put like Q-tips, Band-Aids, floss, cotton balls in little jars so that they're easily accessible and people don't have to rummage through under the bathroom cabinet and tear that apart. So I thought I would do that for easier access. But again, that is a work in progress too. I have so much I want to do right now, so many projects going on. It is just so chaotic, not including cleaning the house daily. So right now I'm just really overwhelmed. I'm trying to slow my pace, prioritize, and tell myself to take it as I can go. So this is about 45 minutes later. Not completely destroyed, but it's getting there again.
life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just get buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
And this is what I use to mop with. This is just Dollar General Pine Glow Antibacterial Kitchen and Bathroom Disinfectant. Yes, I'm pouring it on the floor. I know someone's going to say something, but I am about to mop it up anyways. So why not? It's doing the job. I am cleaning the floors and I'm removing it.
You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine. But I can see that you don't realize. And that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I believe 'cause I want you. Here with me, I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy.
Let's talk about the dirt and dust that gathers on your white wall borders. Look at this. Check this, a scuff mark above there that needs to be removed with a magic eraser. But look at this. Just sitting behind my shoe basket. Look at all that dirt. So that's a big task around my home, cleaning the wall borders and the walls and the doors. I guess I collect dirt and dust more often because I open my back door to let the dogs out a lot more. Anybody's got any recommendations to help prevent that? Let me know in the comments below. That's it for today. Catch you next time. Thanks for watching.